And now I would love to welcome David Oesch on our digital stage.
Thanks everybody for being here. It's a great pleasure to welcome you. Should you have to worry about accounting and finance at all, just think what could be the most important things you need to create a successful startup. If you mess up the money part, you can be gone really, really quickly. You should know how much money you're actually spending, right? You should know how much money you can spend.
Let's say, for instance, a software on the market, where would you go to? Where would you base that on?
So his point is always make it more expensive than what you would sort of naturally charge. Decide what kind of margin you want on top of the cost to make a gain or to make a profit, and then that's your price there, right?
It's better to go with, debt financing rather than equity.
If you don't need the money, I wouldn't get either. I would go to the market as quickly as possible.
We have Kynan Eng with us here today on our digital stage for the last lecture.
Now, what exactly is intellectual property? Identifies 6 categories of IP. Right? The first one is copyright. Most companies are not willing to spend money to oppose it at that point in time. They'll usually only spend money once you've made a lot of money from that patent. But officially, there's an opportunity here for other people to attack your patent. And so your aim is to sort of usually try and get as broad protection in as many countries as possible, assuming that this is something that's of critical value to your business.
This is how we started. I want to thank Chantal, Martin, and all the lecturers, and thank you also to the participants. Make sure that you get your goals done. Lots of luck, lots of success, all the best, and looking forward to see your company growing.